So I'm walking on Vaguely Ridge Road, heading towards Redfern Pond, continuing my search for the lost Coon Hunter's Gulch spring. There is such a thing. And so this is the road heading towards the Tajma toilet. And I was sort of considering that the pipeline might actually not go to a spring at all, but go to Redfern Pond. And if that's the case, it would be coming up this canyon if it continued on the course it was when I was hiking it down the canyon. So I've got my, not sure if that shows up at all, got my iPhone going with the park map, and the blue dot's where I am right now, and that orange line is the pipeline as I traced it last week. So I'm just gonna head on over here, check under the trees over there, because this would be a likely place the pipeline to cut across and be able to, you know, have water gravity flow out of the pond. The other option would be is they would pump it out of the pond, but who knows? So this will be a lot of on and off today.